Hi, my name is Justin Ripley, and I'm going to be talking about implementing AI in teaching. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so what is artificial intelligence? The AUK describes AI as the ability of machines to perform cognitive tasks like thinking, perceiving, learning, problem solving, and decision making. Mark Steed also provides a definition that artificial intelligence refers to those computer systems which are both autonomous and adaptive. And I've attached a little screenshot picture of these definitions of autonomy and adaptivity, with Steed saying that artificial intelligence refers to both computer systems that are autonomous and adaptive. Autonomy meaning the ability to perform tasks in complex environments without constant guidance by a user. And adaptivity is basically the ability to improve performance by learning through experience. Building an AI toolkit. Artificial intelligence tools are essential in shaping the field of education in many ways. Mark Steed reveals that as projected teacher shortages continue to worsen, technological advancements such as AI tools will be necessary to help keep workloads at a manageable level. The following slides will discuss 3 AI tools that I have chosen that can help teachers engage with students who are part of a digital society. This presentation will discuss the specific applications of AI tools for teachers. Number 1 is ChatGPT. Jen Rubin, Kat Chen, and Riddhi Devani revealed that ChatGPT has a large amount of benefits for educators. With any program that has benefits, there are also some downsides that we're going to note as well. The benefits we'll start with can be used by educators for recommendation letters or email replies. So basic administrative tasks are great sources to use ChatGPT for. Effective lesson planning tools. Teachers can create rubrics or obviously lesson plans or come up with some ideas, and that goes into the next benefit. The last benefit that I found is that ChatGPT can be used as a supplementary tool to help students or teachers find a starting point in a project and create like a sounding board for their lesson plans or projects. The challenges that are presented with ChatGPT is that some users are concerned with credibility with the content that's being generated. So, as with anything, that you don't make yourself a researcher to the fullest extent. Teachers should be checking this and ensuring that it is upholding the standard that is needed for an educational setting. Another challenge is the possibility of student users becoming reliant on AI-generated content instead of learning the material. So they're just relying on ChatGPT to give them the answer instead of them actually doing the due diligence and research into it. Academic integrity and misuse is also another concern that some teachers had with this. Basically, AI tool usage can result in higher amounts of plagiarism and or cheating if not properly monitored. My second one that I'm going to review is called GradeScope. In this AI tool, Etiquette English Teachers argues that GradeScope is an AI tool that greatly benefits teachers who lack enough time in order to get other tasks completed. So instead of grading for hours at a time, they can simplify their teaching process by shortening the time it takes to grade exams and papers. This allows them to focus on teaching or lesson planning or whatever other items come up. The benefits of this AI tool are that the program helps save time on teacher grading. It makes teacher workloads lighter, as AI can assign grades for the assigned work based on parameters that the instructor sets. It lightens the workload while promoting a better learning environment for students, as teachers can then focus more on lesson planning and teaching in the classroom. The challenges presented by this AI tool are that Rubin et al. Revealed that many teachers in the field have posed concerns about over-reliance on artificial intelligence and tools, and that AI tools should be supplementary materials and should not replace job tasks in entirety. The third one, the third AI tool that I'm going to be reviewing is called Murf.ai. This tool saves time for the user by utilizing text-to-speech technology. Essentially, the user inputs text into the text box, and it will then be spoken audibly through the program speakers. There are different speakers from different areas throughout the world, and so there are different dialects and different accents for whatever area the person is from. So this helps create a more engaging educational experience for the learner. The benefits of this program are that there are over 20 different languages that the program is able to speak in, and so basically you can reach a wider audience by using this tool. The program speaks for you, so I mean, if there are educators or public speakers who are necessarily a little shy about public speaking, they can use this tool with relative ease and can get their message across in an engaging way. The last benefit is partly a con at the same time, but there's a relatively normal voice over from the AI speakers. The challenges of this tool are that the voice does not sound entirely human because it is AI generated. So you can tell that there's a separation between actual human interaction at this point. Rubin et al. Highlights the importance that many teacher concerns noted, which was AI tools are best utilized when they're not replacing human interaction. So there's that. Moving on to content area applications. Each of the previously discussed artificial intelligence tools are effective in various ways for AI integration in classroom settings. ChatGPT, for example, is one of the most widely used AI tools. In this program, teachers can utilize the program to create effective lesson plans, like we mentioned earlier. GradeScope allows for educators to implement time-saving techniques in the grading process to focus primarily on instruction and teaching principles, which help improve educational experiences for students. And lastly, Murf AI allows for educators to focus on areas of differential learning. Catherine Neve states that each student learns differently and that AI tools such as Murf.ai allows for students to absorb information through audio and versus traditional classroom setting instruction. Applications Part 2. Each of the three AI tools focus on sharpening and strengthening specific applications of educators for engaging with student users. AI tools help create more engaging and immersive learning environments while also making the workload of educators lighter to ensure the best learning outcomes are achieved. Overall, AI tools can be helpful for creating engaging lessons for classroom settings. However, it should be noted that AI tools should be thoroughly researched, managed, and utilized in moderation to ensure that educational standards are maintained. Technology usage for this presentation, I used Screencastify to record my video presentation. This process was made simple by the technology available within the program. So you just have an extension, and you just click on the extension and click Start Video, and after you've made your account, it's very simple. It just it takes off from there. And then I used Canva presentations to create the presentation today, the slideshow presentation. But yeah, so those are the forms of technology that I use today. And here are my references, and thank you for listening.